Hello everyone, I'm so happy to meet you again in a new presentation. Today I'm going to talk about time clauses. Time clauses are used in English to demonstrate a period of time based on an action or event, similar to dependent clause in conditional sentences. For example, I will cook dinner when I get home. When I get home is a clause demonstrating a point in time based on an action or event. That time I get home in place of time such as I will cook dinner at 7 p.m. Time clauses are grammatical units that require subjects, verbs, and objects, but they don't always use the same verb rules as the main clause. In this presentation, we are going to share with you time clauses. So here, these are time clauses that I'm going to talk about. When, as, after, until, till, while, since, as soon as, and before. When, while, as. They can be used for two events happening at the same time. Means during the time. Look at these pictures. What is happening here? Yes, it's an earthquake. The earthquake occurred when, while, as they were sleeping. Let's move to the next slide. As soon as or once. What does it mean? Immediately after. Look at the first picture and the second picture. As soon as Kim left the house, it started to rain. Next, before means earlier than. She left before I could tell her something. She left before I could tell her something. Means that action happened earlier than another action. After means in the time following an event or another period of time, such as after everyone is gone from the party, we are going to clean up all the mess. Until or till means up to that time, such as I won't travel to London until or till I have enough money. Since from that time, I've played tennis since I was a young girl. Ever since, continuously since a specific time or event. Look at that picture. This means that ever since I was a kid, I've had trouble getting up early. Remember, when the time clause appears at the beginning of the sentence, a comma must be used after it. My friend visited me while I was recovering in the hospital. In here, we don't have comma because we have the time clause in the middle of the sentence. But when we remove it from the middle of the sentence and replace it into the beginning, the comma must be replaced, as we can see here in the example, in the second example. While I was recovering in the hospital, comma, my friends visited me. That's the end. I hope that this very short presentation help you have an overview about time clauses, and I would like you to do a lot of research about this lesson. It will be a very important lesson, okay, to communicate good English. So thank you for following. Have a nice day and see you in the coming lesson. Goodbye for now.